Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change perspective in Capcut. Now here I have my photo, so what we're going to do is go to animation and click this combo. Now find this effect. Now right click on your video and then create a compound clip and just choose the exact position you want on your photo and then click this freeze right here and you can just put it up here. Now let's choose another position. I'm gonna choose this one and then click the freeze button. Now I'm gonna put this same as the position of my previous one. Now I'll delete this. Now you can adjust this to photo and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.